is your L-shaped living and dining area. This is your beautiful and huge kitchen area. Look how spacious this bedroom is. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Brigade Insignia project which is located in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. A project by Brigade Group. And today we are here to check out their 4.5 BHK sample flat, that is the model flat. But before the model flat, let's check out the surrounding of the project. So on my left, this is the marketing office of the project, and exactly beside this is the land parcel of the project. This is total 5.88 acres of land parcel. And this road connects you to the main road. Now, before the sample flight, let me tell you that exactly what Housey is and what Housey do for you all. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple broker, but while we're in Housey, we connect you directly with developer because the listing in Housey is done by the builder itself and not the broker. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So starting with the project overview, this is how your project will look like. This is your main entrance and the internal road of the project. This is total 5.88 acres of land parcel in which they are coming up with the 6 towers like A, B, C, D, E and F, as you can check it in the miniature itself. So here you will be getting basement, ground plus 15 floors coming up with 2.5 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4.5 BHK and 5.5 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so this is the main entrance of the project and this project is connected on the national highway itself. So this is the neighborhood of the project and this is the national highway. This way connects you to the international airport and on the other side this way connects you to the Hebbal. This project is located on New International Airport in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. Now coming to the connectivity, Kogiluk Cross is 1 kilometer away from the project with Yelahanka Metro Station 1.1 kilometer away and additionally D-Mart is 4.6 kilometers away from the project. Now the amenities, so here you can see this is the clubhouse. The grand huge clubhouse comes with swimming pool and indoor games. Here is your jogging track, kids play area, sitting area with the garden area in center of the project, and over that side you can see the basketball court. So now let's check your 4 BHK plus servant room model flat of 3066 square feet super built up area. So this is your personal lobby area for your privacy, and you can check that the servant entry is on my right side, which we'll check on later on. And now this is the main entrance of your house. Even they have provided the personal foyer area once you enter. One thing that we have missed out, that is the digital door lock. So you will be provided with the digital door lock for privacy purpose, for security purpose. And now this is your L-shaped living and dining area. How beautiful and spacious, huge it is, right? So this is your living area exactly where I'm standing. This is how you can do your interior work. Additionally, they have given a balcony. This is the running balcony that they have provided over here. This balcony is 3-side covered with toughened glass railing. Additionally, they have given the wooden finishing and the anti-skid tiles. One more thing to mention that this balcony is attached to the balcony of your master bedroom, which we'll check it later on. Now here comes the dining area. So this is your spacious dining area. Easily you can set your 10-seat dining table over here. And exactly in front of your dining area, they have provided you the kitchen area. So this is your beautiful and huge kitchen area. Full L-shaped fitted granite platform. Additionally, here also they have provided the serving platform. Now they have provided you the dry balcony. So this is your dry balcony. How huge the dry balcony is it, right? With the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. One more thing, that the sink is provided in the dry balcony also and even in the kitchen. Now here comes the servant room. So there are two entry and exit for the servant room, one from the dry balcony and other from the main entrance itself. So this how the spacious this room is. With attached washroom, they have even provided the attached washroom over here. With anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move and check the rest of the house. So we are walking towards your other room, the bedroom number 1 towards your bedroom number 1 through your dining area. So here comes your bedroom number 1. So this is your bedroom number 1. How spacious this bedroom is, right? Like inside the bed, there is ample of space to walk around this room. And now here comes the huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And this side comes your attached toilet. So here is your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. Here the sink is provided inside the washroom itself. One thing if you have noticed that this bedroom comes with wooden finishing tiles. And now, exactly in front of this bedroom, you will be provided with the powder area. So this is the powder area, again with anti-skid tiles. Now over this side, here are the two bedrooms. So this is the bedroom number 2. Once you enter this room, you have been given lobby space, and this side comes your attached washroom, again with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Comes with the sink provided inside the washroom itself. And now this is your beautiful bedroom space. I love the space because you can check the interior that the builder has shown you for your reference. Here is the cross window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And here comes the standing balcony. So this is the standing balcony for you with toughened glass railing, and additionally the tiles you can check here is anti-skid and even wooden finishing flooring. Now let's move towards the next bedroom. So exactly beside this bedroom, as we have seen earlier, comes your bedroom number 3. One more thing I would like to show you is the space. This space, you can check the space, you can utilize it in many ways. And now here is the entrance for your bedroom number 3. Again the similar entrance with the entrance lobby, and comes the toilet first. The attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. So basically if you check that this bedroom, they have made the interior as kids' bedroom. So how lovely and beautiful it is, right? So the space you can check over here, ample of space. Again, the cross window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Similarly, here too you have been provided with the standing balcony. So again the standing balcony with toughened glass railing and the wooden finishing tiles, that is anti-skid tiles. How cozy the room is, right? Now I know you guys are waiting for the master bedroom, but before the master bedroom, let me tell you that what all Housey provides you. So in Housey, you have been provided with the actual location tour of each and every project with such sample flight videos. You have been provided with the pros and cons of the project. Even you will get here the payment scheme and EMI schedule with 360-degree location tour, and all this features under one platform, that is www.housey.com. So you just have to do one thing, that is go and register yourself on www.housey.com and schedule yourself a free site visit. Now let's go towards your master bedroom. So your master bedroom is on the other side of the house. Walking through your living and dining area, we have entered towards your master bedroom. So this comes your master bedroom. Look how spacious this bedroom is. The ample of space in this bedroom, the space that the builder is providing you is much better as compared to the other bedrooms. Now the plus point of this room is the walk-in wardrobe, the closet area. This is the walk-in wardrobe. And now your side comes your attached washroom. with NDSK tiles and CP sanitary fitting. One more thing that you have noticed, that every bedroom comes with wooden finishing flooring. So even here you will be getting the wooden finishing flooring. And now this is the balcony. This is the same balcony that we have checked from your living area. Means this balcony is connected to the balcony of your living area, making it a running balcony. So as you all know this, today we are here at Brigade Group project. Have you checked another project with Brigade Group? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such content and video, do not forget to like, follow, subscribe. Howsy?
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Howsy.